What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to sync your audio and your video in post using Davinci Resolve. If you're like me and you record your video separate from your audio, then this is a quick and easy way to get everything synced up pretty easy. This is going to be a short tutorial. I'm going to get straight to the point and I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's jump into Davinci Resolve and let me show you how to do that. Alright, so I'm in Davinci Resolve, and what we're going to do first is we're going to bring some footage in here that we're going to be working with. And I got these two files right here. I want to import those. And we're not changing anything. So I'm going to show you how this audio sounds. And you can see the difference what I'm talking about. Now this is the audio that I want to use, and I'm going to show you how that sounds. What's up guys, my name is Rob G and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be talking about making your videos private here on YouTube. If this is something that you're thinking about doing or you did, I want to know what you guys think about making your video. Okay, and I'm going to show you, this is the one that I want to actually change. And you can hear the difference. What's up guys, my name is Rob G and welcome back to another video. So you hear that audio sounds pretty bad. So what we're going to do here is these are the two files that we want to sync, and we want to sync them in post to get the audio that we want, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to highlight these two. We're going to right click and then we're going to go to audio, sync, audio, right? So you got a couple of choices here on the right here. You got based on time code. You have based on time code and append text. You have based on waveform. This is what we want here. We want a based on waveform. So we're going to use that. Right? And then after that's done, you can actually click on the one that you just changed and then you can just listen to it. Here we're going to be talking about making your videos private here on YouTube. If this is something that you're thinking about doing or you did, I want to know what you got. And it sounds a lot better. So after you do that, then you can just right click here and you can create a timeline using the selected clip. You can give it whatever name that you want. I'm just going to leave it like that for now. And we're just going to click create. Once you click create, then you can just go down here and you can start editing this. I'm going to show you how this sounds now. What's up guys, my name is Rob G and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be talking about making your videos private here on YouTube. Sounds a lot better, right? If this is something that you're thinking about doing or you did. Alright, so that's it, as simple as that. So once you do that, all you have to do is export your files and you're done, and this will sync up pretty good. So I hope this helped you out if this is something that you're struggling with and you've been recording your audio separate. A lot of people do this because the audio in the cameras they're not usually high quality. So it doesn't really sound that well. And there's a couple different ways that you can sync up the audio, but I find this is the easiest method to do. So I hope you found some value in this video. If you did, please support the channel by subscribing, click on that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.